Hey there, I wanted to show you the changes that we've made to the Suspense tab on the client main screen. So let's go into a client policy. This message popping up is telling me that this client has an outstanding suspense and would I like to view it. For now, I'm going to click no. Here's our Suspense tab. Now this Suspense tab is showing me all suspenses that are related to this particular client. And what I want to show you is the new filter that we have that you're seeing here. So you can actually take a look at three different options. Number one, all suspenses associated with this client. So this is going to be any suspense that you've ever created for this customer, whether it's completed or not completed. However, you can now take a look at any completed suspenses, and you can also take a look at any suspenses that are not yet complete. So this is going to be any outstanding suspenses that are also showing up in your suspense section on your main dashboard. Now, an even cooler part about this is being able to filter for specific suspenses. So let's say you are looking for a suspense associated with this client. All you have to do is type in a keyword. We're going to do test, and it's going to pull up that suspense there for you that you can easily go into and look for whatever it is that you're looking for. So if you have any questions, please let us know.